Well, welcome back to the channel, guys. Now, what's happening today is we've got a flat tyre on the, we're on the way to a gig, posh gig, black tie do and all that. Well, check this out. So this time it's not the high maintenance girlfriend Range Rover, it's the trailer this time. So check this puppy out. There you go. Whoa, it's hot. Look at that. Look at that motherfucker. We're nearly there on this one. Obviously the spare tyre is for some air as well.
I think you should try and take that back to the shop.
Do you think we'll get
Yeah.
Do you think we'll get our money back on that?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, man.
Definitely. So there you go. Fucking rock and roll, baby. Well, this is a good start to the gig, isn't it? Huh? Any minute now, that's it. Right. Formula 1 pit stop.
So what are we going to do with
Get
this
the
one?
V12 band. Ah, this is the only thing is, I've got my posh trousers on now. I've got something to kneel on. Gotcha. Look at that. It's a good job you got a mechanic on board. Seeds above it all, let's fix it. So this wheel doesn't look the greatest, does it? Better tyre. Right, we'll slowly give them a little nip. Remember, when you put the spare wheel on, it's opposite. Nip, 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 nip. Just like that. Drop down. Some weight in this trailer. Yeah, not too tight, I'll strip the threads. Right, that's it, rock and roll.